Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in wealth building methods. Today's topic is something you won't want to miss, especially if you're interested in starting a successful digital business and building wealth for yourself. There are many ways to achieve financial success, but building a profitable digital business can be one of the most effective ways to create a wealth in today's world. Are you aware that there are more than 4.6 billion internet users worldwide? That's over 50% of the global population. And the best part? Every one of these individuals is a potential customer for your online business. That's right. No matter where you are or what you do, you have the power to sell your products or services to millions of people online. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to expand your customer base and grow your business. Starting to invest can be daunting, especially if you're new to it. You might be wondering how to find the right investments, create a strong investment portfolio, and avoid common mistakes that many investors make. But don't worry, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. For example, the Internet Millionaire Training Program is an excellent resource for those looking to begin investing. This comprehensive and detailed course is designed to guide you through the process of building a successful investment portfolio. It is more than just an online course. It is a complete roadmap to financial freedom. The program includes step-by-step training modules, expert guidance, and a supportive community that is always ready to assist you whenever you need help. With the Internet Millionaire Training Program, you can receive personalized guidance to help you navigate the world of investing. You will have all the tools and knowledge necessary to achieve financial success. By enrolling in the program, you will receive a complete roadmap to financial freedom, which includes expert guidance from industry leaders who have extensive experience and a track record of success in online business. They will impart all the necessary knowledge to you, right from identifying your niche, designing your offer, establishing your website, driving traffic, converting leads, to growing your business. Additionally, they will offer you constructive criticism, valuable advice, and insider tips to help you maximize your performance and steer clear of common mistakes. A supportive community of individuals who have similar objectives and ambitions as yours. Interacting with them, you can ask questions, exchange ideas, and receive assistance whenever you require it, which may also potentially lead to forming valuable business relationships with like-minded individuals. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to attend exclusive events, webinars, and masterminds where you can learn from industry experts and connect with other thriving online entrepreneurs. Step-by-step training modules. You'll be provided with a detailed curriculum which encompasses every facet of online business. You'll gain knowledge on the following topics. Discover a profitable niche that aligns with your passions, skills, and experience. Validate it by analyzing the competition, understanding the demand, and identifying potential customers. Develop an irresistible offer that solves a problem, adds value, and differentiates you from your competitors. Conduct market research, identify the pain points, and create a unique selling proposition that resonates with your target audience. Establish a professional and user-friendly website that represents your brand and showcases your offer. Choose a domain name, select a hosting provider, create a visually appealing website that is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Generate targeted traffic to your website using SEO, social media, email marketing, and other methods. Develop an SEO strategy. Use social media to engage with your audience, build an email list, and communicate with your subscribers to promote your offers. Convert your visitors into customers using effective copywriting, landing pages, and sales funnels. Craft effective copy, create landing pages that capture leads, and develop sales funnels that guide your prospects towards a purchase. Scale your business using automation, outsourcing, and optimization techniques. Automate your marketing, sales, and customer service processes. Outsource tasks that are not your core competencies, and optimize your processes by analyzing your data and continuously improving your performance. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving your skills and strategies to achieve long-term success. This program is a comprehensive solution for anyone interested in achieving financial success through internet-based methods. It caters to both beginners and experienced individuals, including aspiring entrepreneurs, online business owners, and professionals looking for a career change. The program offers a wide range of benefits, including access to expert knowledge and resources, insights into various income streams available online, the potential for generating passive income, and a supportive community. But don't just take our word for it. Embarking on the Internet Millionaire journey has been transformative. The program's comprehensive modules and actionable steps have accelerated my path to financial freedom. It's not just a course, it's a mentorship that guides you to success. Medium article. Adil Chowdhury's Internet Millionaire webinar was a game changer for me. From struggling in fast food to achieving online millions, the insights and tools provided have set me on a path of unstoppable growth. Masterclass testimonial. The Internet Millionaire program turned my life around. From a McDonald's worker to a millionaire online in just 30 days, it's been an incredible journey. The blueprint is clear, the results real, and the potential limitless. Training program feedback. These are just some of the many success stories from people who have transformed their lives and businesses with the help of the Internet Millionaire training program. And you can be one of them too. If you are looking for ways to grow your business and achieve success, we have an amazing offer for you. For a limited time, take advantage of a 50% discount off the regular price and receive a complimentary bonus module that will provide you with valuable insights on how to create a successful viral marketing campaign for your online business. This program provides a valuable investment in your business, and we believe it can equip you with the necessary knowledge and tools required to succeed. The program also comes with a refund policy that allows you to request a refund within a specified time frame if you are not satisfied with the program. Don't miss this opportunity to take the next step towards achieving your business goals. So what are you waiting for? This is your opportunity to start your own online business and achieve financial freedom. Don't let this chance pass you by. Enroll in the Internet Millionaire training program today and join the thousands of people who have already changed their lives with this program. So, if you're striving to build a thriving online business, the Internet Millionaire training program can empower you with valuable insights. These insights can help you achieve your goals and make your business soar to new heights. Remember, with dedication, hard work, and the right guidance, you can turn your dreams into reality. To take the first step towards your online business journey with the Internet Millionaire training program, click the top link in the description box. It will take you straight to their official website where you can purchase the course securely and start learning. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, guides, and tips on learning about investing, crypto, and AI. By subscribing, you'll get access to more valuable content that can help you succeed in the online world, and you're one step closer to earning your digital degree. Here's to your financial freedom. Thanks for watching.